So I'd like to talk to you a little bit about your information security platforms and some of the things that we've seen in the industry here in the last few months as attacks, threats, ransoms, extortion have ramped up. People are scrambling a little bit on how to deal with that. We have seen over the last probably 6 to 12 months a 300 or 400% increase in the incident response cases that we are handling and helping people with. If you're using any of the commercial software available today, you're at risk. There is no safe haven, no safe space. Our staff, our people are what we need to engage in order to protect the assets and livelihood of the organizations that are out there today. Training, insurance, and just overall technology is more paramount today than it's been in the last 20 years.